What's going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a beat for 2HOLLIS. I just saw on his story he was trying to slide at Kim, and then I peeped Kylie's story. She put on one of his songs, so he got that Kylie cosign. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys that snippet and show you guys some of the lore. Somebody in the comments said, we all know he's just trying to get at Bruce. Anyway, let's get right to it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a beat for 2HOLLIS. Let's go. Most of his beats, the BPMs are somewhere around 130 to about like 165-ish. That being said, we're gonna rock out with something like around 160. Actually, no, let's do 150, let's do 152. So we're gonna stick with this BPM here, 152. And I'm gonna go into Hive and grab some sort of pluck. A lot of his beats are just ARPs and like plucks pretty much. So you're gonna need Hive or like Serum, plucks and stabs. So this one could be cool. I just need to take some of that reverb off. For our scale, we're just in C minor. I think we're gonna stay with that. I might pitch it up or down later, but for now, C minor. And a couple of you guys asked me in the comments like what my snap to grid is, and I just have my snap set to line. To start off, we're just gonna build a catchy pluck pattern here. That's pretty like repetitive. And maybe this one, let's just pitch it down. Now let's just hold control to select these and hit control B. Bam this pretty much all the way through. Again. So I'm gonna try speeding up this pluck right here, make it a bit faster, turn it more into an ARP. Just hold control to select everything, and then this little arrow thing pops up here. Hold alt, and then it'll snap to grid. Yeah. And at the end, I'm gonna show you guys like a master. We're gonna deep fry every single melody, make it as crispy and as distorted as possible. That's kind of like the goal with his beats, is just deep fry everything, make sure it yams, so you can basically barely hear what he's saying. All right, now that we've got our main pluck down, let's start our drums. So I'm gonna go into my Me and Me kit, and I want to get this one snare. It's called Magic Johnson. This one yams. Let's get 808, and we need a hi-hat, something super like clipped. I like this one right here. All right, so for our hi-hat, that's all you want to do right there. It's like that Ken Carson pattern, you know? And for our 808, let's just go over here to the envelope, put that attack all the way down, put the release all the way down. I think we're gonna start right here at G, and let's go 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get rid of those. Maybe do it like this. Crank up the 808. Change that 808. I'm gonna go into the 20K kit I'm working on, which is gonna be out when we hit 20K. So make sure to hit that sub. It's gonna be completely free. You know what I mean? From a real one to a real one. So instead of dragging and dropping your sound to change it, what you can do is just click right here to select it, go to your sound, and then just mouse wheel click it. You see that? Instantly change it. You don't even have to do all the extra hit tab or hit enter. You know what I mean? Now that we got that, let's get some more in here. I want like a trance. Maybe this could be crazy. Just follow our 808s. Change the sound. Okay, let's get some more in here. Should I add this on like every one, I guess. If you hold shift control, you can select multiple notes. Let's just hit delete, and then if you hold shift and your arrow keys, you can like move it like this. Now we need to get some ambient pluck. We can put crazy reverb on this. Yeah, turn it way up. And we're doing some sort of kind of like a lead pattern with this. We're gonna change the sound. My bad, I had to lock in right there with that pluck. I don't really know. I just clicked some shit in. It kind of sounds good, so we're gonna keep it like that. One more thing, I just want to add another 808. So we're gonna clone this 808, and we're gonna add some sort of weird 808 just on this like one right here, or maybe like right here. So let's just take this, hit Control X, and go to our other 808, hit Control V, and let's just change out the sound. Remember the trick I showed you? If you click right here, then go to the sound that you want to change, mouse wheel click it, boom, it'll magically change. Now I'm going to show you guys a little bit of mixing for these kind of beats. Basically, sausage fattener or like destructor on everything. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add a sausage fattener on our 808. And then sausage fattener on the master. Trust me, this is secret sauce right here. main pluck right here, we're gonna go crazy on the sausage fattener. Let's just throw it up. One more thing, I'm just gonna layer our snare with a clap. Just, you know, thicken it up. Okay, now we got our rough beat done. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a rough arrangement, and then we're gonna add some more melodies, and I'm also gonna spit some bars on this. I'm really gonna show you this whole 2HOLLIS thing. I'm gonna show you guys the whole sauce. Anyway, let's go. Right click right here on pattern, split by channel. Let's drag this in here. We have to export this, and then we're gonna freestyle, and then we're gonna drag the vocals back in, and then we're gonna touch it up, you know, put the finishing touches on it. Okay, let's get our beat in here. See how clipped this shit is? That's the key right there. Yo, shout out to Charlie, man. He hooked me up with this preset. We just dropped a song produced by me and Isaac. Go check it out. I'll drop it in the description. Get this freestyle. I think we're in C minor. And we're also gonna put a sausage fattener on the vocal, man. This is real game. Let me lock in right here. I need to put a sausage fattener on this master to make everything like extra fried. How about a spin? How about I spin? How about a spin? Jackie Chan on my team. Kylie Jenner my queen. Kylie Jenner my queen. Ayo, nah. How about a oh, bro, it's cause my BPM is cracked. I didn't do the BPM, man. That's what's all. Damn, man. Gotta do it again. Show my spin. How about I spin? How about I spin? Let me do a crazy stutter here. Show my jing, show my bang. Show my jing, shit. What it mean? What it mean? What it mean? I'm out of bars, man. We're gonna call it at this. Show my jing, show my bang. Show my jing, shit. What it mean? What it mean? What it mean? Alright boys, that took a bit longer than I expected. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe. We're dropping a free 20k kit once we hit 20k, so make sure to hit that sub. Also, if you guys want any of my kits, links are down below. Go check out our free 5k kit. Go get my entitled kit, which the full version is out now. And yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.